Formula. The learning objective of this nugget is to be able to use simple formula. Formula is a rule or fact written with mathematical symbols. Substitution in algebra, substitution means putting the numbers in the place of letters. And order of operations, a rule which states which calculation should come first. A shop prints designs on t-shirts. They use the formula below to work out the price of a printing design. The price equals 80p times the number of colours plus £1.25. What is the price of a printing design that has 4 colours in it? The first thing we need to do is substitute in 4 for the number of colours. So we can put the 4 here. Now we start to calculate and work it out. Remembering to use the order of operations, we must multiply first. So the price equals 80p times 4, then add £1.25. 80p times 4 is 320. So we have the price equals 320p plus 125. 320p is the same as £3.20. So we have the price is £3.20 plus £1.25. Finally, we can work out the price is £4.45. A shop prints designs on t-shirts. They use the formula below to work out the price of a printing of design. Price equals 70p times the number of colours plus £1.35. What is the price of printing a design that has 5 colours in it? It's your turn. Pause the video now. So, the first thing we know that we need to do is we need to substitute in the number of colours for 5. So this looks like this. Price equals 70p times 5 plus £1.35. The first thing we need to do is multiply. So 70p times 5 is 350p. We have the price equals 350p plus £1.35. If we convert 350p into pounds, that's the same as £3.50. So the price is £3.50 plus £1.35. Finally, we add up these two numbers to get the final price, which is £4.85. A building company uses the formula below to work out the price of a job. Price equals £40 times the number of hours plus £120. How many hours does a £360 job take? So we know the price equals £40 times the number of hours plus £120. What we need to do is we need to substitute in the price. So we have £360 equals £40 times the number of hours plus £120. We need to take away £120 from both sides. So we get £240 equals £40 times the number of hours. If we divide both sides by 10, we get £24 equals £4 times the number of hours. Finally, if we divide both sides by 4, we get 6 is the number of hours. So the job takes 6 hours. The time it takes to cook a chicken can be calculated using the formula below. The time equals 45 minutes plus 20 minutes per every 150 grams. What is the mass of a chicken that takes 2 hours and 5 minutes to cook? So 2 hours and 5 minutes is 45 minutes plus 20 minutes times how many lots of 150 grams? It's your turn. Have a go. The first thing we need to do is convert the hours into minutes. So 2 hours and 5 minutes is the same as 125 minutes. 125 equals 45 plus 20 times how many 150 grams there are. If we take away 45 from both sides, we get 80 equals 20 times how many 150 grams there are. We can divide both sides by 20, and we have 4 equals how many 150 grams there are. So we have to multiply 4 by 150, and we get 600 grams. We now know that the chicken weighs 600 grams. Well done if you got that correct. And remember, a formula is a rule or mathematical fact written with mathematical symbols. Remember to use the order of operations when working with formula.